The Minister is ready for us. Minister Zulu, it's now your turn. Can we welcome her with a round of applause?
To the many, many successes, because I also think that sometimes we tend to focus on the negative side of things when actually our negative goes with positive, because we are always looking for solutions. It's a good thing for us to have a portfolio committee that does oversight for real. A portfolio committee that makes sure that when we say we're going to do the following things, we do them. And I must also indicate here what I like about our portfolio committee is that many a times the politics are put aside and the issues that are of major concern to our people are put on the table. And I think that for me is very important. I believe that as South Africans, we have the capacity, we have the strength, we have the courage. All we need to do is find ourselves. We are not here for ourselves. We are here because we want to find solutions in changing the lives of our people. I thank you.